All my viewers, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking around this channel and watching my videos. And in today's video, as requested by very many people, I would like to briefly take you through how bar soap is made. And when you want to make bar soap, whether it is in a small scale or commercial production, you need 7 ingredients mixed together in a procedure that needs practical setup plan. So these are the things that you need to know before starting bar soap making. Bar soap is a common and dominating business idea by very many people now. So you need to make sure that your bar soap is of good quality for you to catch up with the market. Now these are the things you need to have when you want to start making bar soap. Ingredients are 7 in number, and these include palm oil, soda ash, palm styrene, caustic soda, whitening, sodium silicate, kaolin powder, and also you need to put in perfume so that the scent or the smell for your soap can be unique or better in the market. Soap making is one of those lucrative ventures you must think about, and you can start this business at the comfort of your home. So small scale bar soap production will yield you profits, but you'll make much more money when you do it commercially, because that will definitely reduce the cost of production, and of course it will help you also make profits in the end. Distribution of bar soap can be done everywhere in the country because soap is used by almost every individual in this country, and this makes bar soap market readily available everywhere because every homestead uses soap. So if you make good quality bar soap, you're sure that you'll earn profits from it. This business can be started anytime and at the comfort of your home. We have materials, all of them available, and if you want training on the measurements and how you have to mix these chemicals, the procedure, feel free to comment or contact me on the number you see on the screen. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm planning to bring other inspiring videos about making other products. Keep watching, share to a friend, and have a nice time. Bye bye. These materials, machines, and chemicals, including the training, are available with us at our offices. Have a nice time. Bye bye.